Hi there. Yeah, I'm waiting for your questions to the Facebook users. So in the meantime, I'm also answering a few questions that I'm getting on the YouTube channel. So because I really don't have any viewers, okay, so you're the only viewer, um, and I have 64 on YouTube. So I'm kind of dabbling back between their silence and their questions. So those that I can't answer, I'm trying to type them out. So yeah, yeah, you'll bear with me. Yeah, you will come back. Do I have any questions from Facebook? Facebook, because the typing on YouTube is kind of taking me. I want to share the time between Facebook and YouTube. Really, really, Kelly, yeah, you get out. Just go. Just go. Just Kelly, go. Just go. Like, how are you, my love? Kelly, you'd better start typing now, or else I'm going to end this video. Like, seriously. Who's watching? Who's watching? Who's watching? Okay, so I just adjusted the setting and changed it to a watch party. Someone just told me with a watch party we'll get a lot more viewership. I mean, I'm just testing out the Facebook viewership. So uh, yeah, hey, okay, so yes, I'm having trouble between switching between the YouTube channel and the Facebook channel. I mean, I get a lot more reactions and questions on YouTube than on Facebook. So yeah, please feel free send in your questions. I'll answer them as soon as I'll answer. And those that are coming in for the very first time, well, I'm just answering. I usually have this every beginning, mid, and end of month a Q&A session where basically I answer all questions forex related, forex trading strategies, which brokers do you use, how do you make money, how do you withdraw your money. There's a ton load of questions newbies and professionals usually ask. So yeah, I'm just bringing this to Facebook now, but we've been doing this on YouTube for the past 6 months. So you can actually go to YouTube and follow up on some of the previous videos. It's basically a Q&A, question and answer session, where you just ask what you would love to know, and yeah, I give you straight, precise, straightforward answers. Okay, Jackson, yes, on YouTube. Okay, yeah, weird. Okay, so basically, your it depends on your trading strategy. Okay, so sometimes you're going to. Oh, okay, fine. Then let me answer you together with the YouTube viewers. Yeah. Okay, fine. Let Jackson, you hold on, cause you're already slightly more advanced. Let me deal with Kungu Simon. What are forex signals? Forex signals are simply trade entries. Yeah. So somebody simply says execute a particular trade at this time. That is a forex signal. When somebody says, say for example, buy Euro USD in the Asian session by a certain amount of pips, a forex signal is basically a trade entry with details of entry level, exit level, and usually also with details of your trade volume, the suggested trade volume that you should take. uh, I don't know, I hope that answers it. I mean, had you experienced maybe you tell me, have you been using trade signals? Are you new to forex? What is it exactly you would love to know about forex signals? You tell me and I'll be able to help you out. Yes, so Jackson back, yes, thank you for holding. So you're asking about it, it really depends. Yeah, so stocks usually have longer. Okay, so I would say when trading stocks, you usually look at the larger the larger time frames, and this is where a multi-time frame alignment strategy comes in, because you're not only looking at the bigger picture of the average movement of the stock, you're also looking at by the minute, especially with regards to the fundamentals. So if you're trading stocks using a fundamental strategy, you're going to be it would be very helpful if you have a strategy that aligns both the higher and the lower time frame. Now, the choice of time frame you choose to align with the lower time frame is really up to you. That's really up to you. Kungu Simon, yes. When do you buy or sell in the market? Yes, I used to use them. Okay, so Kungu Simon, you're saying you used to use signals, and now do you still use them, or have you developed your own trading strategy? Because that is always my recommendation. Always develop your own strategy, always work out your own way, always develop a rhythm, a flow, a way you trade with the market. I mean, it's really up to you. So you yeah, okay, sorry about that. Yeah, so you need to develop your own flow with the market. Yeah, you do not know, you're using trade signals. In most cases, you don't know where these trade signals are coming from, how the trade signals are generated. So somebody is simply telling you to put your money here, and you're putting your money there. So he's telling you exit here, and you're exiting there. I mean, this is your money we're talking about. Yeah, this is real hard-earned money we're talking about. So it's usually better when you actually understand, or if the one giving you the signals gives you an analysis or a breakdown of how he or she came up with the particular trade signal, then that would be more helpful than simply somebody saying, okay, gold, buy now. I mean, why should I buy now? Tell me. I'm sorry, maybe that's the way I think. I just don't want to be told, do this now, do that now. No, I need to understand why I need to buy gold now. At what level should I exit, and why should I exit at that particular level? Yeah, so I usually love to understand, um, why should I exit now? I mean, I still see a profitable sale. Why should I exit now? If I have say so last week, so the week gone, the US dollar flipped on us, and people really made money. I mean, so there are those that kept on looking at the indices and saying, no, this is going nowhere, and they spent a large part of last week not trading. Yeah, so there was actually almost no money made for them. So yeah, I usually love to understand why someone is giving me a particular signal, based on what. I mean, help me understand what it is, I am doing, and in that case, we're going to have a common understanding. So about you using the trade signals, fine, that's fine. I have no problem with trade signals. I do provide trade signals to my students, those I teach, yes, but that is just to help them earn some small money, um, because they are new to the market. Yeah, but once you're established in the market, once I can look at your portfolio and say, okay, this is somebody that has been trading for a while, and this is my expectation, and those are the results you're producing, then I know that, okay, fine, even on your own, there is a certain expected amount of money with a certain level of trading account and experience that I know you can make on your own. And in that case, you are basically generating your own signals. Yeah, so Congo Simon, hey, good with trade signals. Yes, congratulations. And I'm happy that you're actually trading. I mean, geez, not many people are actually aware. Not many people are actually aware, and it's really scary. But so you find, so somebody was asking me, I mean, yeah, just give me, just in a nutshell, how would you demystify forex trading? And I was like, I was asking him, do you watch the news every day? Yes. Do they read do you watch the market, the business session? Like, yes. Do they always read the forex exchange rates? Like, yes. Do we use forex in Uganda? Like, do we use dollars in Uganda? No. Do we use this? What do you use for buying food? We use our local currency. So I'm saying, yeah, so why do you think they do it on every single day, on every single television, nationwide, continent-wide, and actually worldwide, every single time? Why? Like, there's actually big money moving around the world every single day. So yeah, big ups to you. And if you're still using signals, well, yes, go ahead, as long as you're making money. That's the point. As long as you're making money, hey, I'm happy for you. Okay, so yeah, next question. Hey, invite your friends too. Yeah, I'm happy. Invite your friends. Also to the watch party, yeah, and then also on the YouTube channel, yeah. Yeah, do ask, ask. Feel free, ask questions, yeah. Hmm. Okay, so yeah, placing, yeah, this is a nice one, and this is okay. So this is from YouTube, and how do I use support and resistance? Okay, so quickly, support and resistance is basically take money, make money levels. Yeah. So that's in a nutshell. Make money and take money levels. At what point do you make money? At what point do you take money? Yeah, that is basically what how I'd put support and resistance. I wouldn't trade in the middle of support and resistance as price is moving at that point. I would use support and resistance as entries and exit points. Yeah, so you basically determine, depending on the market you're choosing to trade. If you're in a trending market, then that's big money for you. If you're in a ranging market, then you really need a deep wallet in order to wreck some good amount of money out of that kind of market. So yeah, hmm. Yes, if support continues providing support, then you continue trading in that particular direction, okay? So I mean, because look, this is, I mean, this is money we're talking about. Yeah, you're either in the in these markets, you're either making money or losing money. So if you keep encountering several support levels with no resistance, why do you stop? I mean, the market is giving you money. You don't refuse money, you don't reject money, but you use those particular identified levels of support and resistance for to 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 set your take profits. Yeah, those are the levels you use to set your various take profits. Okay, Matovu Henry. Matovu Henry. What determines the exchange rate of a given currency? Matovu Henry, what determines the exchange rate of a given currency? The fundamentals of any currency that are at play at that particular time. It depends on what we are looking at, really. So what currencies? Okay, say US dollar, US dollar, China. Have the US and China have been having a serious trade-off, and so for forex traders, okay, so sorry, but yeah, this was exclusively for my students. But yes, we've been playing by the tweets of President Donald Trump. He has been moving the China market, and the China market rhetoric of about the tariffs at the beginning of the week. Excuse me. Donald Trump is threatening to increase the tariffs, and then by the end of the week, he's saying no, he's not going to tariff the goods. And then there's this constant trade war between the U.S. and China, and such are the factors that influence the exchange rate of any particular currency. So fundamentals, basically my answer to Matovu Henry would be the particular fundamentals at play at any one time. Yeah, it could be weather, it could be an earthquake, it could be a political election, it could be almost anything. Yeah, a fire outbreak, an emergency. Right now we have Ebola raging in Congo. It's likely to stretch into Uganda or Central Africa. So yeah, those are factors that all those are factors, I mean to say, that affect the exchange rate of any given currency at any one time. That's why as a forex trader, it's always important to keep tabs on the fundamentals. Yeah, you get up early in the morning, you look at the news, you know exactly what to look for, and you know which fundamentals are going to be affecting which currencies the most at what time, and then basically you develop a trading plan from that. Okay, I don't know. I hope that I've explained that clearly. If you need any more explanations, yes, do ask. Just do ask. Yeah, I'll explain. Just do ask. Stuart, Stuart, yes, do I offer trainings? Yes, I do. I just talked about my students class and sorry, students group. Yes, I was talking about my students group. So yes, I do offer trainings. So for groups, that is usually for 10 and above. I usually book a place around the Innovation Village, if you're familiar with that, in Tinder. Um, yes, around the Innovation Village, yes, in Tinder. But then for individuals, we usually just, because I can't book a small office or conference room just to meet with one person. No, that. So we basically, does it mean their economy does not experience any breakdown? Matobo Henry, Matobo Henry, question noted. I'll be with you in a second. Let me just finish with Stuart. So Stuart, yes, find my contact in my address there or on my website. Give me a call, and then we'll talk about the training. The charges for the training are also on my website, so you can find it there, or they're also on the Facebook platform. Okay, Matovo Henry. What was your first question? Does that what determines how comes a country like UAE has constant rate of foreign exchange for many years? Exchanging with what, or against what is, yeah, that's the question I would ask, yeah, because so the UAE, kindly confirm with me, is it the dirhams that is used there? Yeah. So what is the dollar rate of what is the dollar to dirham rate in UAE, and then what is the dollar US dollar rate in the US, or what is the dirham dollar rate in the UK? So if so, and what is the dirham dollar rate in Uganda? Do you see that? That is what I'm talking about. Yeah, you may think you actually have a constant rate because of your current geolocation or something of that sort, but your currency is actually fluctuating. Yeah. So just help me out with that question there. Tell me exactly what you need to know. Does it mean their economy does not experience any breakdown? Again, what do you mean by breakdown? Okay, so let's use UAE. Let's use the case of Saudi Arabia. You seem to be familiar with the Arab nations. So if you remember a fundamental like the death of Jamal Khashoggi, the critic of the Saudi royal family. You remember that at the time of his death, their currency plummeted against all major currencies by over 200 points. Why? Because of the criticism. It was assumed that it was a state plot to actually kill the criticism against the royal family and and there was a lot of denial by the Saudi royal family, and so over 200 points in their currency strength were lost. So if somebody was trading any Arabian pair, any forex trader would have sold that pair and would have actually made millions out of that. Ismail Yusuf Kamoga, boss, what's up? What's the best strategy for options trading currently on IQ Options platform? Ismail Yusuf Kamoga, it depends on what it is, what what asset you're trading. Are you trading currencies? Are you trading CFDs? Or what it depends on the asset. It depends on the asset that you're trading. So give me an asset, and I'll take a look at it right now. Okay, Joshua, you're asking a similar question to what Ismail just asked. Ismail was asking about the best strategy of options trading currently on IQ Options platform. The best strategy depends on what the asset is that you're trading, basically. Um, I need to know what asset it is you're trading, and then I can recommend. I just can't recommend any strategy just like that. No, I need you give me an asset, I'll take a look at it and then I'll recommend a strategy. Yeah, I get, I get, I get, Gerald, I get that question a lot. Um, just like Henry asked, I, it, if, if, if the fundamentals for the fundamentals, or let's say my reasons for trading any particular currency is, if I have reason to believe that uh, there's a very strong trend going to be formed on whatever time frame, and I for some reason do not have the time to sit and monitor my executions, then then I can employ a trading robot. So yes, trading robots are good. I write trading robots. I actually shared on the YouTube video. I called it making money while you make babies. But it was basically that was for the new intelligent trader. So, but the use of trading robots and automated or custom trading softwares is growing because people find that so we're finding that largely people do not really have so much time to sit and look at their executions and look at the charts, and so they would rather have a robot sit and look at their charts, make particular decisions for them. And yes, with that comes the liberty to spend time doing whatever you want, because there is something in the background making money for you, because it basically works 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. As long as the markets are open and you have a good internet connection, it's basically going to be making money for you, because it's basically working on your decisions, your set of rules, your so it's basically going to be following your rules, and so that is where it is. But what happens when the market flips? Yeah, um, how do you, because it's still going to be your same set of executions unless you're working on a neural pattern network. And yeah, neural networks have not, they've only been successful in experimental productions, or in tests, in the test phases. On the live markets, they've not produced very good, they've not produced impressive results. Manual trading, in my opinion, is still the way to go. But yes, I do write robots, and for those that actually love automated trading, yes, they keep coming for refinement, readjustments, and especially when there's a changing shift. People usually love to make adjustments to their trading softwares. Ismail Kamoga Yusuf, I hope I answered your question. Matovu Henry, I don't know whether you have any other questions for me. Guys, any more questions? We have a few more minutes left, so yeah, I mean, hey, just ask, just ask anything, forex trading related. Yeah, what do you want to know? I mean, what do you want to know about forex trading? What are your challenges? Where do you need help? Where do you need, I mean, what strategy advice do you want? I mean, hey, this is the time to ask. Yeah. Yeah, guys, I mean, hey, ask. Just keep asking. I mean, look, this is the only time you actually get to ask a question, and yeah, I mean, hey, how often? I mean, it's just 3 times in a month that we get this session. So yeah, do ask. I mean, it's all up to you. You ask, I give you the straightforward answers. This is money we are talking about. I mean, every minute counts. You're either making money or losing money. Yeah. So hey, This is totally up to you. This is totally up to you. This is your time. Eager Henry, Eager Henry Jackson, Shami, and six others. Crap homologous, guys. Welcome to Forex Trading. Yay! Happy to have you here. Yeah, so hey, just I mean, just in case you're new, yeah, this is just a monthly Q&A, periodic Q&A session where I basically answer all forex trading related questions. So yeah, yeah, if you have any questions, you have anything you wish to know, I mean, yeah. Uh, Monica, Monique. Hi. Kangave Farouk Minawa. Is forex and currency trading real? Wow. Is it real? Let me just let's just go back to. Okay, the short and long of it is yes, it is real. It is real. Uh, do you watch the business section, the business session of um the business session where they always read the exchange rates, the value of the stocks, local and foreign. If you do, then you know that yes, it's real. It's real. I have traded forex for the past 6 years, and woo, okay, yay! Say hi to my daughter. That's my daughter. Yo.
Hi.
Cool. Okay.
Hello.
Okay, got to deal with this. Kangave, Farouk Minawa. Okay, so it seems I have a co-host now. Haha.
Hello. Did I want to watch that?
Right. Mugabe Alan Arenaitwe. Take us through basics of trading in Forex. How can someone who has no knowledge of this make money? Yeah, huh, where is this? Where is this? Where are you? Mugabe Alan Arenaitwe. Mugabe Alan Arenaitwe. I don't see your comment. Okay, basics. So you're asking how does someone who has no knowledge of this make money? Well, the first step is to get the knowledge. That's it. There's no way out. Yeah, the first step is to get the knowledge. Learn how to do it. What is it all about? How do you do it? how do you make money, how do you lose money. Actually, I think that is the more important question. How do you lose money? Because if you know how not to get an accident, then you'll be, say, a perfect driver. Yeah. So how do you make money? Yes. How do you not make money? Because if you know, using a Thomas T. Edison's principle, if you fail 99 times and you pass on the 100th time, you've only learned 99 ways how not to do it. So you know the one perfect way of how to do it, and that is knowledge. Yeah. So get the knowledge. That's it. You want to know how to do it, get the knowledge. That's it. So you asked, how does someone who has no knowledge of this make money? Well, they make money, step one, by getting the knowledge. That's it. Kangave Farouk Minawa again. Yeah, you're asking what is the minimum investment? What is the initial? What is the initial investment required? That depends. That depends on your the size of your wallet. Yeah. If you have a deep wallet, hey, why wouldn't you start from $10,000? If you have an average wallet, let me not go that way. My recommendation is always start from at least $300. That's a good, comfortable learning amount. Yeah, you can start with that. You can actually make money with that, and it will be a good ground for you to actually have a good feel of what the market really does, how to treat the market, how the market, basically a good starting ground for you to practice your trading strategies. Mugabe Alan Arenaitwe. Mugabe Alan, yeah, give me a call, My number is +256, sorry, Uganda, 0774-255-822. Just give me a call. We'll have a chat. Or go to my website. Let's see. I'll put the link there right now. Uh, Okay, so it should be coming up in a few seconds. Copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. Come on. Mugabe Alan Arinightway. I'm not in Uganda. Can we WhatsApp? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. There, I've just put in the link to my site. You my personal phone number is in there, so you can just get it and send me a WhatsApp anytime, and then yes, we'll talk. Yeah. uh, Cent. Which one is the best platform for beginners? MT4, 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 yo MT4. Yeah, it's not really about beginners or anything of that sort, because like I've said, I've been in these markets for the past. This is now okay. So we're August, yeah, uh, 5 years and 9 months now. Yeah, MT4 is the way to go. Yeah, so it's not about beginners or what, because I know hedge funds. Yeah, I know hedge funds that still use MT4. MT5 is just making rounds because of its beautiful interface, and yes, beautiful, and also largely STP accounts and executions and all that. But yeah, MT4 is still the way to go. So yeah, Cent MT4. Kamoga Kamoga Yusuf Ismail. Yes. Let's leave alone strategies. Recommend the use of leverage, low or high. Which one is better for lower investors? Say 1K. Um, 1K, 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 1K. Now let me look at if you're going to stick to the majors. Okay, this is Ismail Yusuf Kamoga, $1,000. If you're going to stick to the majors, if you're going to stick to one or two, okay, you're going to trade a major a day, yeah, then I would recommend 1 to 200. 1 to 200, maximum 1 to 250. Don't go beyond that. Don't go beyond that, because leverage is a double-edged sword. It will make money for you, but it will equally wipe out your account. Yeah, and especially if you're thinking of using an automated trading system, it can be lethal. Yeah, so especially when the market dynamics change, you really do not want to be on the bad side of sorry, you don't want to be on the bad side of the market when there's a shift. Yeah, so $1,000, say I would recommend leverage of one to not more than 250. 1 to 250. Yeah, and in that case you're sticking to majors. Um, you're sticking to or if you're say you're trading in okay, CFDs, I would say gold, silver, and platinum. Yeah, and then oil. Yeah, oil. So leverage 1 to 250 strictly. And they're beautiful.
Yes.
Yeah.
You're still calling someone. Your laptop.
Still talking to my friends.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay. You talk to them.
Yeah, I'm talking to them. Kids of these days, eh? Jeez. Oh, wait. Cent. Did I, which is the best platform? MT4. Yeah, I saw. Yeah, I dealt with that. MT4. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Cent. Here you are. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to assume Gladys, really Gladys, you Gladys, go away. For you, I don't even want you here. Go away. Kajambo Mukwano, how are you? Yeah, Kangave, send me your mobile number. I need to meet you tomorrow. My mobile number is in the is in the link. Check the website, it's there, but I have a very tight schedule this whole week. I'm not meeting anybody this week, yeah. So I have a really tight schedule with books and so many other assignments, so I'm not meeting anybody this week. But I'll schedule you in for 20. Let's see, 20 date where 26th. Yeah. So Kangave Farouk Mamiwa, give me a call on the 26th. Yeah, in the morning, 26th. Give me a call and we'll have a chat. Okay. Can you help beginners identify scams because they usually scammers are the dread of anybody that has been in these markets. Yes, scammers do exist. Scammers. Okay, Centicent. Uh, where are you now? Where are you? Let me just look for you. Just a second. What is the nope? Refresh my comments. Okay, Centicent. It depends on what kind of scammer you're looking at. Yeah. So first off, if somebody is asking for your money before, if somebody is asking to trade your money on your behalf and is not willing to give you knowledge of how they are going to be trading your money, or what they are going, or how for so in Uganda there's all these schemes where people say, give me your money and I will double it, or give you a certain percentage over a certain period of time, and without clearly stating uh, how they are going to double this money, or what it is, or if basically somebody is saying, trust me with your money, blindly, that in the hopes that, or in the assumption that I am going to be giving you a certain percentage of this, of your investment, over a particular period of time, and over that period of time, that stated period of time, be it a month, 2 months, 3 months, you would have recovered the full value with a profit, and you do not exactly know how they are going to do this. uh, be very careful, be wary. Yes, be wary. Yeah. Don't just don't blindly trust. Let them teach you how to fish. Yeah. Let someone, I prefer someone who teaches me how to fish, rather than feeding me fish. Yeah. So it depends on what kind of scammers we're looking at. Are we looking at broker scammers? Are we looking at scam traders? Or are we looking at it really depends. Just help me clarify what scammers we're looking at, so that I can easily break it down for you. Yeah. Broker scammers, very easy. Look for their regulation and ask them for their regulation details. Anybody that begins to dilly dally, yeah, run away, run away. This is your money, this is your hard earned money. You don't just yeah. Oh, so sorry, you were actually specific. Let me just respond. Let me just respond to this right now. Musisi Jeff Godfrey. Yeah. My number. Sorry, I mean my. Just check up in the comments. There's a link to my website, and you can get my number there. And yeah, but I mean, you can still post your question here, and you can still post whatever question you have here, and I'll answer it very immediately. Yeah, it's okay. Just post your questions here, and I'll answer them immediately. Okay. YouTube, yes. just ask for their regulations and for their regulation details and jurisdiction of operation, and anyone dilly-dallying is a scammer. Run for your dear life, not life. Run for your dear money. Trust me, this money is not easy to come by. Yeah, so anyone that is going to play with your money, run. Believe me, run. As Senti Cent has said, people lose their money. Yes, and oh, okay. Um, Musisi, Geoffrey, and Brian. BR. 80 Brian hooks. How much can a beginner start with? It depends on what you what your end goal is. Yeah, is your end goal to say, like, okay, so let me give you my personal experience. I started with $100, traded $100, traded $100. At the end of the day, invested another $250, and we're looking at a 550, right? And we're talking about blown accounts still, yeah? So at $550, I decided to take a break, yeah? So that's when I decided to dump everything, pump and dump everything I knew about trading and relearn everything. And then and only then I invested $500, and that was after a really long while. I put in $500, and I've been able to grow it to 800. Okay. And this is the part where people really do not get it. Yeah, when I tell them I've been able to grow a $500 account to $800, and they're like, how do you do that? I mean, why isn't that how um isn't that so dismal? Isn't that too small? I mean, what have you been doing? Haven't you been making more losses than profits? No, I've not been making more losses than profits. I've been trading. I've been making profits, actually. And yes, I do make the occasional loss, but I've been using a $500 account, yeah, to pay for my education, to pay my rent, to pay for my feeding. You just saw my daughter hanging around. I'm a family man, so I have a whole host of bills, and that basically is the art that I teach. Yeah, I don't teach you to turn $100 into $10,000 in 10 minutes. No, I teach you to invest $300, and that is my recommendation. $300 at any one time. Yeah, invest $300 and trade it. From that same $300, you're going to need to pay your bills. You're going to need to do every single thing that actually needs money, that you use money for, from that trading account, and still maintain that trading money, that investment capital, making sure at any one time your account has that $300. So yes, you may make the occasional loss, yes, but you must be overall profitable, you must be overall disciplined, you must be basically all the factors that come in with being the profitable and successful trader. How do you actually do that? Forget these funny ads where you find, oh yes, I converted a $500 into $60,000 in 1 week. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. And then so where are they now after 6 months? I mean, you tell me one person that has converted $500 into $10,000 in less than a month, and whether that account is still active. Believe me, believe me, and I'm so willing to bet on that. Actually, right here, right now, you show me one person that has done that in less than 6 months, and there's $100 on the table for you. How can I start? Ekanem Bob. Oh yeah, yeah. You see my co-host? Yeah, keeps bobbing in and out. Ekanem Bob. How can I start? Where are you? Where are you? Ekanem Bob. Ekanem Bob. You just scroll up there. Scroll up in the previous comments. You'll find a link to my site, and you'll find my number too. And yes, hit me up, send me an email, give me a call, and we'll see if we can arrange something for you. Because I wanted to do a trading robot, but this is scam. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. I can name Bob. Okay, so I don't get what you're. Yes, it Musisi Jeff Godfrey. Yes, it is on WhatsApp. Yes, so you can send me a WhatsApp anytime.
Finish to call your friends later. Baby, baby. Get that door, baby.
So yeah, back to you, Ekanem Bob. I mean, what do you mean you wanted to do trading robot, but this is scam? What do you mean? Do you want a trading robot? Do you want what is a scam? I mean, yeah. So kindly help me out with that question. And yes, you are outside UG. Yeah, I've written robots for, I don't know, so many people outside UG. So yeah, you tell me. I mean, is it a trading robot you want, or what exactly is the scam that you're talking about there? Yeah, help me out with that, and then we'll. Okay. Yeah, and then I'll be able to help you.